Hi everyone, can you hear me? If you're hearing my voice, you can keep message in chat box. Yes, we can hear like that. Then yes, okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Now today I'll start actual session. Yesterday is given intro by Dr. Banu Prasad Garu. So today I'll start my session. Okay. Today I'll start my session. You can see me. Are you see? You can see me. Okay. Today I'll start the session, which is so. I'll share the screen today. Actual session. What I want to say in these. So I'll share the screen. Yes. Visible. The screen is visible. If yes, tell me yes. Yes. Okay. The screen is visible, right? Okay. Uh, Today I'll talk about this is the AR and VR session. Gamification. The program name is gamification with AR and VR using 3D engine programming language, C sharp programming language. The dates are from 8th to 30. Actually, I want to take the session in yesterday only, but the sir given the guest lecture yesterday. So yesterday content and today content I'll take both. Okay. So I'll show the first of all I'll show the course content. Before the showing the course content, let me introduce myself. I am Haripriya. Money is my initial, and I am working in APSSDC past 2 years onwards. I have experience in program designing and management, and also having done so many live sessions and offline sessions. Also, I have done in many colleges. Not many, some colleges I done. So I have knowledge on AR, VR, gaming, and not only gaming related to CSE tech content. Tech content, I have knowledge, web development, mean stack, everything. I have some knowledge on that technologies. But in APSSDC, my role is to do something in gamification with AR and VR. That's why I'm concentrated on more. Okay. Uh, this is my YouTube channel. If you see here, I have done so many videos regarding tech channel. I started just last year. So these are the so many tech content I have created. I think definitely this content will useful. Actually, I didn't done any marketing because I don't have time to do. So that's why I didn't. You can find all the stuff Python, Django, and a lot of frameworks, new frameworks which didn't know, and DevOps. And sometimes I'll talk about motivation. Everything you can see here. If you search in YouTube Haripriya Manne, you'll get all the things which was done by me, which the videos was done by me. So I think definitely this content will useful to you. That's why I don't say let's subscribe, let's give a like, let's give a share. I don't say. If you really see the content, if really useful to you, learn it first of all. Learn it and grab the knowledge and use something. Okay, then I can feel that yes, you can useful to that. Okay. uh, the count was increased. Actually, today attendees are 443. Yes. So I can say that by this channel you can learn lot of things. Okay. Daily, not daily, weekly once or twice I'll do the sessions here. I'll do the videos. You can see a lot of videos I got. I'll get the comments, but I didn't do any marketing. That's it. Okay. So up to this is my intro about me. And if you want to find my channel link, I'll keep in the chat box session. you can find the link and you can see my videos. I don't say subscribe or like or share, because if you really grab the knowledge, that's it, that's my aim. Okay, my voice is clear. Okay. uh, and in questionnaire also I'm sharing my link. This is my channel, and this is the thing about me. Okay, up to now what I had done, up to now this is the thing. So so many members were saying that I'm trying to join the class. Unfortunately it was not there, because Airmeet is a new platform. It's an upcoming uh, platform in future. But if you use Chrome, just click that link and join the class, that's it. Okay. Okay. And now what I'm saying, this is the content which was done up to now. If you see, today is day one. I'll show what the content will be teach coming 20 days. Okay, up to June 30. So I'll share. Okay, this is my channel, I'm closing. Yeah, okay. This is the course content which was made by me. This is, I think, already shared in mails, in starting mails, which was intro, which was communication mails. I done this one. So many members are shared in WhatsApp group also. This is the day one, day two content. No worry, everything will be available. I'll share every content to you. No worry about that. First of all, concentrate what I am saying. Okay, ma'am, please present, please share content, please share PPT. No worry about that. I'll share what I am doing. Everything will be structured and clear. No worry about that. Okay, and okay. Everything I'll say, this is the content what we are teaching. Actually, day one is yesterday. I want to say about introduction of gaming. Unfortunately, it was not there. So today I'm taking day one and day two. I'll merge and I'll say the both the days will be covered on 2 days. Okay. So this is the detailed course content which was made by me. Okay, you can see this is the detailed content: day one, day two, day three, day four, day five, everything. So if you see the day one, introduction to gaming, why should, first of all, what is the name of the program? Gamification with AR and VR. So first of all, I'll teach about the gamification, then I'll go for AR and VR. Okay, last 5 days the session will be for only for AR and VR. If you want to learn AR and VR, we need to know about gamification. Then only you are easy to learn AR and VR. If I started directly AR and VR, you can't. You should know starting onwards. So yes, if you want to record this session, you can use the OBS Studio. If anyone has this studio, you can just uh, OBS Studio. If you do that, actually, I can do that. So if you want this record the session, actually Airmeet will provide in cloud. When it will provide, I don't know. That's why I'm saying this one. So yes, this is the Airmeet. You can start recording. Yes, it will record the everything. What my screen was there. So this is the thing which one I can say. Introduction of gaming today, the session will be, and also installation of Unity and explanation of user interface in Unity. These is the things will be covered today. Okay, and no worry, how to install Unity, everything I'll tell. No worry about anything. Okay, so let's go to PPT and start. No worry, again, I'm teaching the theory. Where is the hands-on experiments? Let me give 15 minutes. Please give me 15 minutes and I'll complete and I'll go to that, because you have to know these things. You are a beginner, or no, you are a you know, you have some knowledge on gaming also, you should know what I'm saying. You should. This is the day one content, and you can say, why should we learn gaming? Yes, we are playing PUBG, we are playing Candy Crush, lot of games we are playing, but we don't know. When I'm playing the Candy Crush or some games, I think that how they develop, how the things they can do, such type of things came to my mind when I studied. So that's why I move on to this platform. but I mean also other platform like web development or something, but that's it. So these people can easily attract to, interact to, and the main thing is the stress release. If you want, you are doing work, you are learning classes daily, you are doing assignments, you need any relaxation, we are a phone and we are using, that's it. If you are playing the games, so that's why we, but why should we learn the gaming means, yes, we are interested. While learning gaming we get interest, we get some real time tasks when compared to other projects mainly. So that's why I'm saying that when we are learning gaming, when we are doing tasks, we get lot of enthusiasm, I can promise that. And next, why about gaming industry, it's an, when compared to coming to gaming industry, it's 2022. In coming future, definitely every life will fill with gaming. Now we are seeing small kids are playing PUBG, small kids are playing games in mobile. So in future, definitely the booming thing in technology in industry, definitely gaming. Not only gaming, other technologies also, but one of the thing is gaming. And coming to its and 2 million attractive games are playing in Europe. I think you all of us know about country called Finland. They done so many games. Actually, we got a training also in SRM University Amaravati by Kayani University of Applied Sciences. You can see my profile in Facebook or Insta. You can follow me. It's nothing more. What can I say? Nothing more hidden. So everything is open. You can say I done a community manager in Kayani University of Applied Sciences, which is in Finland. So I know how they are dealing with that. So it's a nice experience. So Finland is the one of the country which is more games they can which was they developed. So one thing I want to say, that coming to Angry Birds, they developed by them. Candy Crush, Finland game. It's a Finnish game. It's a European country. So it's an $162 billion worth industries in there in uh, outside. So that's why we are, this is small structure about gaming industry. And what is the success story, I already told that Candy Crush and Angry Birds. I want to say one small thing about Angry Birds. It's an Peter Westerberg was developed by Angry Birds. His idea, he's in Finnish guy. He's working in he done actually he got some idea and he developed the game. Now it's in $1 billion. Actually it's I think the company name, I don't know what is the company name. And Angry Birds, the company name, the company name is there. Actually it's the company, yeah, Ravio stood, Ravio Entertainment. This is the company you can see here, Ravio Entertainment. So this company was developed 64 games before releasing the Angry Birds game. All the games are failed, but the game Angry Bird was successful and boomed the industry. Do you know that how many dollars is getting? So like Candy Crush also, these all the things they done lot of hard work. Finally, they got success, and now Angry Birds, there are a lot of series. Do you know that? So these are the some success stories about Candy Crush and Angry Birds and PUBG. Do you know how the PUBG was done? Now the 50 million copies was sold in just half year. How much popular the game, just a small company was developed by this game, now the company was become a billionaire. How this was happened? In our kids time, we played a Clash of Clans. This is a PC game. This is also done a lot of things in IT industry, not in an industry. They all done, they have done a lot of work and they have done a lot of things. So I'll stop recording because my PC will take more uh, charging. Okay, so this is the thing which was done up to now. These are the some success story about games. There are a lot of games, but I am saying only 2 or 3 games. You can see that it's a platform game, and genre is educational. We can keep health games, and we can take 2D, 3D, AR, VR, MR, and text based games. These are the type games. I'll tell the difference between 2D and 3D in coming. No worry about that. Okay. And coming to this, I'll make a present and I'll see that. Then you can get a clear about this. Students. Actually, in gaming, there are programmers, graphic artists, designers, and producers. What they will do? Programmers means us. What we are doing is will will give the will go the programs, and will write the coding, and will integrate all the things, and will make a game. Graphic artist. What we are using? Suppose take a Angry Birds. The bird network. The bird which was the bird which was made by us can be using can be made by it's a graphic artist. They will create that Candy Crush or Angry Bird, and the designers will design. They give up like color, and they design in laptop. They do that, and programmers will make into a game. Finally, producers, they will do marketing. So these are the things will happen uh, in gaming industry. We are doing C sharp, JavaScript, C++. By using so many languages, we can develop the games. And graphic artists, Photoshop, they can do using Blender, 3D Max. So these are the things can do the responsibilities in that. And how do we gaming? There are two types without coding. Yeah, you have idea to develop a game, but you don't know any coding. There are some tools also like Buildbox, Game Maker Studio, and Games Alert. Type Buildbox, just download that tool, but it's a paid version, not a free. And develop the game and upload in Play Store. Definitely, you'll get the money. Suppose I want to take monkeystudio.com. Go to that, check that ketchupmonkeystudio.com. ketchupmonkeystudio.com. They done a lot of games. Do you know that? Only they done with Buildbox and some other studios. Only drag and drop. They are earning a lot of money. You know coding. You have a lot of knowledge, and you have so many ideas to develop the games. So Unity, Unreal. Do you know Corona is also one of the engine? CryEngine, Box. Lot of engines on there. So you can do a lot of things. These are the game engines we can use. So we are using Unity engine. There are a lot of engine. What I say that Unreal, Phaser, Corona, Cry, Construct, lot of engines. But we are using Unity 3D. Why we are using Unity 3D? First of all, I'll say about Unity 3D. It's an free, open source, flexible. We can develop real time games. If you want to buy premium, you can buy the premium. What is the difference between premium and normal? I'll say the difference. No worry about that. So you can develop the 2D games, 3D games, AR, VR, desktop games, all the games you can develop. Okay. And how to become a game developer? Just we can develop the games, release the games, and generate a revenue. You can create your own startup, game developer jobs, or entrepreneurs. You become your own entrepreneurs. These are the things can happen. Okay, how to we can get revenue? If you done a application, just keep in Play Store and add more. By seeing ads, you get revenue. Or in if you upload in Play Store, you get definitely revenue. You'll get some revenue. So these are the things. I want to show some videos. What are the difference between the games which was done? These are the games done by some students. Do you know that? You can see here. This is the 2D game. I think you seen somewhere such type of game. I think Super Warrior, Super such type of games that can be called as 2D game. 3D games, PUBGs and 3D game. So that is the different. 2D, 3D, 2.5D. You can see the video. I think you are enjoying by seeing video. Yes. And okay. And coming to this, I'll play this video. It's in 2.5D Temple Run. It's in 2.5D. You can see the pencil will do that and eraser will rub the scale, and you can increase the here lactose, eraser lactose, and score. You can see lives, lot of things, obstacles. This is a 2.5D. So Temple Run is a 2.5D and PUBG is a 3D. This is a 2D. So I think you get some knowledge about 2D, 3D, 2.5D, right? This is the thing up to now. uh, this is the thing is day one. Yesterday I want to see about, I want to say more clear and clear, but no time, that's why I make a short content. Any doubts regarding today? So up to now, so everything will be shared, no worry, I'll see in chat box. Okay, screen is not visible, video is not visible. Any problem, you can raise the hand. Up to now you can ask the doubts. Akash, you can hand over the mic someone. They can, up to now any doubts you can ask me, I'll answer to you definitely. Akash, are you there? You can hand out the mics to them because they are asking lot of questions. Yeah, 546 attendees today, not bad. But 2500, 2800 members registered. I already shared my screen. Okay. Did you see in the videos? I'll make the videos again. You can try again. You can see again. Visible? Visible? Okay. This is the 2D game. You can say some of the students developed this one. I think in IZDC, which was done in SRM University, they developed there. The teams was developed these games. For demo purpose, I use these games. You can take Paytm payment, patents. You can take the all the things. You can do that. So this is 2.5D, like related to Temple Run. Pencil will write the line, and eraser will wants to rub. It's an obstacles. We can take the lives. Lot of things. I think you are enjoying something. Okay, that's it for today. Yesterday content, this one. Any doubts? Yes, you can ask me. Any doubts? No, thank you. Clear up to now? Is the session was interesting? Is the session was interesting? Or you do are getting some bore, or what else? Is the session was interesting? Yes, I want to see the questions. Anyone asked that? Last 10 minutes, I'll answer all the questions. Okay. Okay. No, that's it. Not yesterday content I shared today. Okay. So everyone can. What is the difference between 2D and 2.5D? I'll change the. What is the difference between 2D means? If you take Super Mario games, I want to show another video. I'll open YouTube. Sorry, YouTube live not. I take YouTube. In YouTube, I'll show one Ori and Moon. Ori and Blind Forest. Uh, I think definitely you will enjoy this game. How the user interface. Actually, the video was not that much clear. You can see this. This one. Just 2 minutes video. Just the startup company. This is the 2D game. Do you know that? It's only PC game. You can see here. How the user interface was. The Moon Studios, the company was developing. This is the it's an player, it's an enemy. You can see that it's her mother. It's just some different story. This is the 2D game. When coming to 2.5D, uh, 2.5D is Temple Run. You can say yes, all the games can be developed by using C sharp and JavaScript, Python games, Py games we can call as. Yes, like cartoon movie. Why? Because really it's nice. It's a 12. I think it's a 4 GB game. In your laptop only, it's a PC game. You can play in Xbox. It's a nice game. So these many games are there in industry. Do you know that? So 2.5D, it's a Temple Run. I shown the pencil and eraser. It's a 2.5D game. The best example for 3D game is PUBG. Okay, so these are the differences between 2D, 3D, and 2.5D. So these are the things. Yeah, there are a lot of opportunities in game developer. I can show uh, one thing. Actually, there are a lot of opportunities in India, but only one thing in India is the lack of game developers. Guys, you're the future developers in future developers in gaming industry. Definitely, it's useful and helpful to you and outsiders also. So these are the things was happened up to now. Actually, any doubts you can make? I think Akash was work. Akash, are you there? You can hand over the mics to them. They are requesting, or at last we can do that. At last 10 minutes, I'll hand over to you, and you can ask some doubts. Okay, so I can know what are the doubts you are asking. Okay, it's interesting. Yeah, stopped the share the PPT. So you can do that. Okay, I'll go to the actual content of the class. Uh, all the questions and all the things will explain at last. Okay, at last. I'll share the screen. Wait for a moment. I'll share. Visible? Is it visible? Chrome not responding. Oh, wait for some time. I'll share the screen. Wait. Okay. Yes, visible my yes, the screen was visible. This is the day one which was done. Everything will be available. No worry about that. So day two, what are the installation requirements for Unity? Uh, I'll show the link. I already kept in some of the groups. I think they followed and they messaged me a lot. And Windows 10 is the best because I'm using Windows 10, Ubuntu, Linux, anyone. These are the requirements you can observe here, and you can do that and you can share that. Not required. The graphic card was not required. Uh, yes, of course. Actually, I mailed to AirMeet. It's consuming a lot of data on this AirMeet platform. They will change the things when coming to Zoom or something. They will not give access to 300 people, up to only 300 people. It's the paid version also. Actually, our company was trying to purchase it, but unfortunately it was not there. So these are the Uh, so you can see here what are the system requirements, all the stuff you can see here. And these are the day one, day two content which was want to deliver today. So yesterday and today content was delivering today. I think you get some knowledge how to install the Unity. Go to this website. It's on unity3d.com and the link was available here. This is the official website of unity.com. You can see, you can get started, you can lot of things was there here in this engine. If you want to download, just open this link. This is the thing here. You can see, uh, download the Unity Hub first of all. Okay, all you guys or download Unity Hub. If you click this thing, automatically the Unity Hub will download it. My laptop, the Unity Hub is there. Just download it, that's it. Install it, that's it. No need to do any part settings or anything. Okay, don't do now, just listen. uh, After completion of these class, open your laptop. I'll share this PPT to you. Sit aside, just spend 1 hour and do installation, do practice it. First of all, just listen, and I'll give a time to you. You can do. This is the Unity Hub. If you download this, you'll get a package and you have to install. And you can see here, this is the Unity Hub. If you done this step, you can do what we have to do. I'll explain. Okay. uh till now, any doubts? Yeah, now only. Okay, I'll uh, share this link to chat box. I'll share the link to chat box. You can uh you can take the thing and this is the, yes, I'll share in WhatsApp also, no worry. Everything is shared, no worry to that. Okay, I think you done something. Yes, up to now, is any doubts? I think I shared this link also. Any doubts up to now? If you download this, you'll get like this. Okay, you can learn. There are a lot of tutorials. There are games. You can do a lot of things. If you want to create the project, you can there here. So these are the things here. And after downloading Unity Hub, go to installs, and you can add here. Just, I think better to download Unity 2.0, because 2019 having lot of new versions and things. Unity 2, 2 2018. Unity 2018. You can download, click next, and add modules. Click Android, Android build support, and click Euphoria augmented reality support, WebGL support. Keep keep these three, okay? Everything will be there in PPT, no worry. Here I what I have done. If you are having iOS, you can do that. So everything was there in Unity PPT. No worry about that. iOS, if you are using if you are doing iOS, if you are having iPhones, you can tick this and done. Do that, done. It will download. Yes, it will download. Actually, I won't create because I already downloaded. It's consume time and thing. If you download the thing, you'll get like this Unity application in your search box. That's it. This is the Unity application. It's take time to open. It's create all the packages. It's take some time. Okay. So no, yes, showing no license after installation. I can't get your question. So these are the things. If you done, this is the thing, installation of Unity. Guys, no worry. Today, just uh, after installation Unity, you'll get this page. Today, just listen at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. You can practice it, and tomorrow it should be in your laptops. Okay, so you can sign in Google or sign in Facebook. What you want, you can sign in by using this. You can sign in, or okay, I'll do that. You can keep next, capital G. I have created my account. Yes, you can go to down. You can observe this one. You should go down and accept it. Yes, these are the things. After completion of signing, you'll get this one. Go to project. Go to projects. Think it's take time because the editor was very high compatible. Wait, wait. Think it's taking time. Uh, can open that. Already you created the account in Unity. You can go to projects. Oh shit! I think getting some. Why it was it's some problem. No worry that about this. Just download that and install it. Uh, just install it, and you will get like this app. Okay. Up to this, I think you are clear, right? Up to Unity app. So if you have any doubts, you can keep a chat, and I'll fix the bug what have done. I think it's having some problem in my machine. What's the packages or have done? Actually, I cleared all the stuff. That's why it's taking program files. Unity. Yes. Yes, the file was there. Why it was? I'll reinstall it because I got some error. Uh, this is the Unity Hub I showed already. You can see here. I'll reinstall the Unity again. So it's take time to me. No worry about that. These are the thing you have to do in that. You can find here what I am showing. This is the Unity interface. Yes. After creating the project, you will get the window like this. Projects and learn. I already shown to you. If you want to create a new project, click new button. Click the new button here. I'll show tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll show how it was create the project, and I'll explain the movement, because tomorrow is the session about you can create and you can explain the session, the project, how we can do that. So we can do that. So I'll explain the interface of Unity also. I think it was not working. Why it was, I don't know. Actually, I tried. Actually, I want to create the project now. I want to show. Yes, yes, it's working. Okay, thank God. This is the project. This is the Unity. Open after installation. Open the Unity app, projects, and learn. Learn means it's a stuff you can learn. Leave that, keep aside for some time. Think again. It was some problem is with my Unity. I don't know what's the problem. Yesterday I checked. It was working fine. At present, I want to show the project how we can create. I want to explain the interface about Unity. I think I want to download again. I want to download. Okay. Uh, if you see that, you'll get the screen like that, and you can create a project 2D or 3D. Basically, I'll make first 2 days will be 2D. First 6 days will be 3D, and after days will be 2D, and after 5 days will be AR and VR. So this is the process I'm following. I'll create the 3D project and I'll explain that. So this is the interface. You can see how the interface of Unity. If you after downloading, you'll get such type of interface. Okay. So you can see here. You can see the toolbar. You can see the scene window. This is the scene window, and you can see this is the hierarchy. I written everything here, and this is the project window, and this is the inspector window. So what is the usage of particular window? I'll explain. No worry about that. And customizable interface means you can drag and drop everywhere. That's it. In this, we'll write the C sharp programming language to integrate everything. Okay. Buildings, games. We are having here game objects, interface, scene window, scripting. I'll explain each and everything will be invisible. No worry. Why? Because again I have to download means it will take some time to me. That's why I'm not downloading. Yes, you can download Unity Hub and you can download Unity uh, thing also. I already shown here. Uh, Go to Unity Hub. You can go installations and you can add. You can do this, or otherwise you can locate and karma karma. You can add like this. Go to thing. Go to this PC. Open Unity program files. You can add like this. You can do like this if you already installed. Yes. You can do like this. I already installed. That's why I did like this. Okay. So if you this is the things you can add. Otherwise, if you're new, you can add directly here. This is the two things you can do that. Okay. Any doubts up to now? You can ask me in chat box. You can ask me in chat box. I'll share the PPT, no worry. Uh, yeah, I'll explain in what I'll send the links in WhatsApp also. Actually, I'll share here the links in chat box. Provide a license key. It's asking provide a license key. No, you have to create. You have to. Yeah, you how to add new ma'am once explain what new. No, no. Ravi Kumar, he's a professor of VR Siddhartha. Sir, this session is exclusive for students. Okay, you joined. It's not a problem to me, but we designed this course for students. For faculty, it's a different course we designed. So, could you please message me in personally? Definitely, I'll share the things, sir, because I didn't have your email also. So, no, license is not required. Not required the license. Okay. WhatsApp link I'll share at last. No worry about that. No, is the course for all the students. So that's it. I think this is the process up to download. So if you create the new, yes. If you create, you can see this here. You can see uh, projects learn both is there. In projects, you can create a new button. You can name the project and you can choose 2D or 3D or high lot of things I explained about the difference between 2D and 3D. If you want to do platform games like 2D games, you can choose the 2D. If you want to choose PUBG like that games, you can choose 3D. That is the difference between 2D and 3D. Okay. You can name the project. This is the day today I'll name uh, day one project, day one, and you can keep the location. And yes, my name you already sign in, so this is my name. So you can click the create project, it will create. Add is means please show installation again. No worry, at 10 minutes I'll repeat the thing. No worry about that. No worry. So you can keep the project name or day one. I'll create a 3D game. I already named as a game is. I already named the game. You can see here. Uh, Space ball. We'll create the space ball in future. So today I'm creating day one. So you can. I want to show 3D. That's why I'm doing. Just create project. So it's take time to create. It's you can see here all the packages or unity packages are resolving and it will create. Okay, this is the thing can happen here. You can do all the things. This is the thing happens. Yeah, like this all the packages will create. It's take time to open the package because it's an high efficient button. So so it's all it will create all the assets from it. You can see here the same thing will be there in your. Guys, no worry about this. At last 15 minutes I'll explain each and everything. Just hold on and just see this. Okay, just hold on. Just see one license. It will not ask any license. If it was asking the license, it's and you are using premium version. Okay, so no worry, just hold on. Just see how it was working. It was taking all the process. Screen is not visible. I was shared the screen. This is the thing will open. Yes. No, I won't download any new version. Skip new version. Okay. This is the thing. This is the Unity editor. Today I want to explain this editor about this editor. Just listen very carefully. I'll help how to install to you guys. No worry. Just listen today, class. Please just listen. After installation, after creating the project, this is the screen you can see. This is the screen you can see. Okay. Uh, okay. You can listen. Just the screen should you should listen the screen. Here you can see file, edit, assets, game object, component, window, help. So I'll explain every line. I think you are able to see this one. Unity. Ah, you can able to see Unity 2018.4.1. It's a version of Unity what we are using. Here you can see personal. There are two types I already said. Personal and premium. Personal means you should do the personal things like what we are using. It's and we should not pay any money. If you are using premium, you should pay the money. It's a sample scene. You can see what the scene here. This one can be called as sample scene. So it's a project name day one. You can use for PC, Mac, Linux. That's it. And coming to that file, edit, assets, game object, component, window. I'll explain about file. If you want to create a scene, not file, in other applications having new file, right? Like that here having new scene. Okay. So that's it. If you want to open the scene, you can. Now I'll explain how to do that. New scene. Okay. First of all, this is the scene which was I created. You can see here untitled. You can rename or you can save. You can save the screen name. Like I want to save as first. You can see that. The scene name was saved into first. You can see the scene here. So that like that you can do that. Uh, this is about that. Control S means you can save as, and you if you are having any project you can open, you can save like this is the settings and these are the build we can run and we can exit. These are the things. Coming to edit, cut, copy, paste. We already know about that. All the things, project settings, all the things are available here. Coming to asset, what is asset? If you take the example of Angry Bird, there is a bird is a player that can be called as an asset here. Everything we are seeing can be called as an asset. So these are the things or can be called as asset. 50% left. You can see here the game object. What is meant by game object? Uh, I'll explain it clear. What are the effects? What are the light, audio, video, everything I'll be explained. Why Euphoria engine? Because when I installed, I clicked the Euphoria button. That's why I got this Euphoria engine. And component, what is the audio, video, what are the text boxes. If you see game over, in games you can see game over, score, time, everything will be called as a component. And window, what is the window means you can go for next window, we can do that. Suppose this is the inspector, you can drag and drop and we can leave anywhere. So this is the customizable in Unity. You can drag this one, you can drag and you can drop. See how you can do like this you can drag and you can keep this one, you can keep this game, what your wish. But my layout was not nice, so keep into default. So like this you can do. Okay. This is the thing of if you want to create any project here you can do that. So you create and create the all the stuff here, and you can see the errors, you can clear the errors, you can do the all the stuff. Inspector window, guys, one thing I'll explain. This is the file, edit, assets. I'll explain each and every one, no worry. I'm giving a just intro. Now this is the hierarchy, this is the scene window, this is the game window, this is the asset store. Okay, I'll drag this game window and I'll keep here. You can see the output of the game, and this is the assets you can store. Scene inspector, you can see the project of here. So total how many windows, tell me? Hierarchy, scene, inspector, project, and game window. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. Okay, these are the 5 windows. You should know the differences. What we are creating, everything will be shown in hierarchy. See, main camera, directional light, everything will be in hierarchy. So if I click the main camera, this is the camera. What is the use of camera? I'll explain. No worry. So these are the 5 windows. This is the scene window. This is the inspector. You can see the camera's transformation. This is the project, and this is the gameplay. So if I delete the camera, you can see the it's not there any lighting. Okay. If I insert the camera, you can see the lighting. We are playing a game. If you are not having any lights, can we play? No. So that's why the camera is uh, it's an interface mirror what we are doing. Directional light. Coming to directional light, if I delete directional light, you can see it's in dark. If I add the direction light, it can get. How to add the things? I'll delete this. I'll delete this. No camera, no directional light, because every game should be camera and directional light. So how to do that? Right click this one and add camera. Yes, the camera was added, right? If I delete, just delete. How to delete this? Right click and delete. How to add? Right click and add camera. See that differences, you can observe the game object and scene object. And uh, directional light, go to light and add directional light. You can see that, guys. Up to now, these camera can be called as component, game object. Everything what we are seeing here can be called as game object. This camera is an game object, this directional light and is an game object. If you want to add the game objects, you can go here, you can add here also camera, game object, light effects, everything. Okay, camera, directional light, everything you can add here. So these are the things you can add in hierarchy. You can see in the scene window what we are adding scene. This is the game output. This window can be called as game output, and this is the inspector window. I'll explain about inspector window. If you click the camera, it was showing the camera. If you want to change camera name as main camera, you can change here. Automatically change here also. Is the position of the camera. It having three types: position, rotation, scale. What is the difference between position, rotation, scale? I'll explain both three. Okay. Here, what is the things this one also I'll explain. You can see the position. Position means here. It's an hand, it's a tool, this one. If you click this move tool, it will move the position. Here you can see the changes. Y-axis the changes. If you do like this, the position will change. Okay, getting. So if you want to change the x-axis is z-axis, you can change. If you want to reset, right click and reset, it will be in 0 0. So this is the position of camera. You can see the output. I'm clicking the here. You can see the positions changing. And if you want to go for rotation, the camera is rotated. When I rotate it, you should observe here game window. Okay, observe this one. You can observe here scale. If you want to expand the camera, you can we should not expand. Actually, if you take any object, you can expand. This is the scale. You can see here the increasing. So this is the about position, rotation, and scale. These are the this is a rect tool. A rect tool means every thing you can. This is an rect tool. It's an all like transform, position, rotation, everything. You can see rotation, everything. You can you can see here. So these are the things in position, rotation, and scale. What is this? If you want to change the color of camera, you can do this. That means the camera thing will be changed. That's it. So these are the things. It's other things was not useful to you that much. So these are the things you can see in here. So uh, do you get any doubts up to now? So these are the things. So project window, while I'm doing, I'll explain about project window. So this is the interface of Unity. So I'll explain hand tool. What is the hand tool? You can do that. Shortcut of hand tool is just like this. You can see now I'll explain about user interface. After Okay. Akash, anyone can ask the doubt if they raise the hand in a session. You can hand over the mic to them. Just 2 minutes. Because just guys, you can raise the hand. You can mute, raise the hand, guys. You can ask the doubts. I'll continue. I'll continue about Unity Editor. Guys, you can ask the doubts in raise the hand session. No doubts. You can raise the hand. I think nobody having any doubts. Uh, if they raise the hand, you can I can answer your questions. Okay, no, ma'am, it's clear. Very good, very good. Now I'll take the session to Unity Editor. Up to now, we done installation, we done gamification, and now I'll explain about Unity Editor. You can see this the Unity Editor. You can see 5 windows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Are you able to see the 5 windows? So Unity Editor having 5 windows. So the Windows name is hierarchy. You can find that this is the hierarchy. Hierarchy window. Hierarchy. Next, inspector, scene window. Next, what else? Project window and gaming. Project and game. Game means it's an output windows. The total 5 windows. Got hierarchy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. So now I'll explain about hierarchy. What is hierarchy? Already it's there in PPT. You can access here. Uh, Explained about here. So inspector, scene window, scripting, everything was there here. But I'll write in my words. Hierarchy means you what we can there, what we can't we can add. I'll write. Wait, no worry. Hierarchy. I think spelling mistake. No worry. You can see here hierarchy. I'm explain and I'll write in website. Okay, this is the hierarchy window, right? This is the hierarchy window. I'm highlighting. If you want to add any game object, it will be in hierarchy window. So adding anything will be in hierarchy in this window. Okay. So what is scene window? You can see here. I added camera. I'll delete. Wait. I'll delete main camera. I'll delete direction light. I'll create a camera. You can see here. I'll click this one. So it is in scene window. You are viewing in scene window. So view of the objects in scene window. Next, inspector window. So for camera, want to change rotation. You can see output. You can observe that if you change the rotation, it will change. So in inspector, change the properties. Yes, properties. Next, what project window? All the files is there, all the assets, all the packages, what we want to use, everything will be in project window. If you want to create any script or anything, will be there in project window. So project window, emuntai project in project window, we will be having uh, all the stuff like what we can say files, every content assets, etc. Lot many things. So these are the things will be there in project window. So next one is game window. Game window is an output. What is the output? We are viewing final output, final gameplay. So this is the things was happened explained here. So I explained the default about camera and also direction light, right? You can light if you are suppose Orient Flame game is there, it's an very dark, so they didn't use it like that. So you got the movement of the camera, you can rotate, you can do everything was explained. So directional light, everything was explained, right? So this is the thing about thing. So I'll explain about assets, game object, component with clear by tomorrow, and we'll create a small project and we'll do something. Okay, so this is the thing interface. So overall interface was explained. So unity interface, finally unity interface was explained. Ex- okay, so I'll make this one as control B. So this one is one content and you can get. So this is the thing we learn, and this one is the thing. So up to now we learned this, and we learn about camera and direction light. Camera direction light. So, and we also learned about hand, move tool, rotate tool, rect tool. If you want to create anything, you can rotate. And suppose the camera is there. If you want to expand, you can expand. You can change the position, and you can rotate the camera. You can rotate. These are the things you learn. So, what the thing? Hand tool, move tool, rotate tool, scale tool, rect tool, and finally all the tools, move, rotate, scale, all the come into one tool. So these are the things also available in inspector window, the position, rotation, and scale. You can go and you can change here also, like 80 0, the rotation was changed, observed. So you can do like this. So hand tool, I'll write here, hand tool, move tool, rect tool, rotation tool, move, rotation, scale, rect, all. So for the shortcut is QWERTY. QWERT. So shortcuts, these are the shortcuts. Yes. Any doubts? These are the things was discussed up to now. That's it for today. You can see here course content. You can see the course content. Today installation project template we created. I already explained quick edit, interface, hierarchy, everything. That's it. And physics I'll explain that tomorrow, because when we are using the things, you will get the things. So, and we have to install Visual Studio also. It's in tomorrow session, but better to do this one today only. Visual Studio Code, download that one. Visual Studio, this one. Actually, this one you can download. You can use Professional. Okay, it's on free. You can see my Visual Studio. I'm using 2017. You can see that. Yes, this is the thing. You should download this one. I'll have this link also available in here. Actually, it's in tomorrow session, but better to download and keep aside. Only these softwares you have to download. Okay. Up to now, this one I'll publish. Yes, done. Done. You can access through link. Copy website link. Copy link. You can find here. Yes. Okay, I think that's it we learned for today class. Today we learned about gamification, installation, and finally about editor, and finally about you have to download Unity Visual Studio for tomorrow's session. That's it. The down required softwares are Unity and Visual Studio. Visual Studio for coding. You can see my Visual Studio. How to you have create, you can do that, or no, not there, or what you want, just start. That's it. I think you got some uh, doubts or anything, you can ask me. So these are the things was explained up to now. Everything will be there in PPT. The content was there. You can see here. Every screenshot was there. I only did done this PPT. So everything I explained. I'll explain about 3D object and tomorrow, because you'll get little bit confusion. but you make sure that ready with Unity editor. That's it. Okay. Yes, every link was available here, so you can. But don't forget to see the videos there in YouTube. Okay, because I'm doing lot of things for students. What I can say that. So you can see here. So a lot of videos I have done. You can not only you can learn Python, you can learn Django. I am doing Django tutorials also. You can find here installation of Django, like that Unity installation also I'll do video. Okay, no worry. So these are the things. Okay. Any doubts regarding today's session? I'll stop this sharing. Your wish 2017 or coding needed. No, coding is needed. uh wait, I'll show the PPT already is in. This is the Unity, not Unity, Microsoft Visual Studio interface. So this is the thing, I already shared the website link here. In this only the PPT was available. In this only the PPT was available. So you can give today's feedback also, how the session. I'm little bit confused not to take or take feedback. Where the feedback? Okay, I prepared a feedback. Control C, student sharing, Control V. Make a copy. So you can access the feedback link also. Okay, student sharing. So day one feedback you can give to me. Still having, we are having 5 minutes. I'll share it's day one. Day two, no, you can take day two. Day two feedback. So send link, short URL, copy, copy. That's it. And I'll make here. Yes. Uh, I'll make in website. I'll insert from drive. Which one? Summer online. Student sharing. Day to feedback. Insert. That's it. The feedback also inserted. No worry about that. So it's a day to feedback. Okay. And I'll make the feedback session here. No need. You can give here only. So again, I'll publish and you'll be able to access. Yes. So that's it for today. So many subscribe to my channel. Thank you for that. Uh, okay, guys. Uh, please send all the links in WhatsApp group. Okay, I'll do work for you. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? The session was cleared and interactive. Any doubts? No doubts. Okay. Where is this? Again, I'll share to you. Guys, you can raise the hand. You can ask any doubts. Okay. And if possible, okay. Okay. Guys, uh, anyone ask, wants to ask the doubts, you can raise the hand. You can raise the hand. We'll hand out the mic and you can talk to here. You can talk here. Please. Very good.
Ma'am,
Feedback submitted.
ma'am,
Okay. Yes, Pavan, you can ask.
ma'am, actually, while downloading the Unity, it's asking some license fee, ma'am.
Yeah, I think you downloaded something. You should download only personal.
Yes, ma'am, personal one. Just
Yes, you
I
should
clicked on the
download.
link and downloaded the Unity Hub, ma'am.
Okay. After Unity Hub, you can go here. Add Unity version and done. That's it.
No, ma'am, it's not showing like projects, learn, and installation, ma'am. It's showing like
Uh,
general license management and advanced, ma'am.
okay, go for general.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, go for general. Which way the course is useful for other branches? Designing. Guys, one thing I want to say that leave about the branch. You can learn the things. If you're really interested to develop the games, what about the branch? All the stuff. Okay. Okay, any doubts regarding today's session?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Tell me,
ma'am,
Hema.
ma'am, can you please send the link which you had installed, ma'am?
It's a 2018 point, or it's okay. 2019 also, it's not bad. You can download.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Uh, oh, wait a second. I'll show. Choose your Unity plus download is there, no? So you can go here and uh you can download individual. Download for personal. So here get started. So here you can do that. So this is the one way. But why not explain? Because Unity Hub we can manage lot of versions. Sometimes I'll use 2019 version. Sometimes I use 18th version. Like that I'll use. So that's why I didn't explain that. You may get confused. This is the best thing. Unity Hub, in that download what your version wanted. Okay. Uh okay, little bit learned about Unity. Uh, very good. Any doubts? You can raise the hand. Akash will hand your mic to you, guys. The link was already there here, which was I shared. Uh, Copy link. Again, I'm sharing. Again, I'm sharing. In that the feedback available. In that the PPT available. Single link available. Everything. No worry. But how your task will be seeing, I'll explain in future coming weeks. No worry about that. The session was cleared. Any version is enough. But I'm using 2017 because the bugs was cleared. That's it. Yes, 18 or 19. Your wish. Guys, no worry about version. Okay. Any doubts? I'll share the YouTube link also. Again and again, I'll share that. Any doubts? Or regarding section, because it's an what I can say that it's total. I think it's taking uh the cloud. It store the cloud. I want to ask Airmeet support. Any questions? You can raise the hand. Yeah, clear idea. Very good. The exact time was 12. So I think you little bit you learn. In future, definitely trust me, you learn something. You'll get some ideas and you'll do something and you'll learn something. Really, guys, I'm doing a lot of work for you because I'm doing creating feedbacks and creating these uh, projects. PPT is everything was taking screenshots and pasting here for you only. Utilize this and you'll get position. I already explained about the positioning also, rotate, scale, everything was available. Okay, tomorrow I didn't post it here because you'll read and you'll tell to me. That's why I didn't post it. Okay, guys. Any doubts? Any doubts? Very good, very good. Thank you so much. And let's support me in YouTube because I'll do more things in that. Any questions? Any questions? You can raise the hand and you can ask the doubts. I'll try to send the recording session. Actually, I want to ask Banu sir's PPT also yesterday's session. If he'll give, I'll keep here in day one. Okay? In day one, I'll paste and I'll publish it. Everything will be shared in WhatsApp again. No worry about that. Okay? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Please raise the hand. Any doubts? Please raise the hand. I'll. So many members asked about certificate. Guys, you'll get the certificate if you done all the assignments and tasks. Everything will be checked through websites. You have to create your own website. You have to do your own task. I'll check the task what I'm giving. So you have to do that. So today assignment you have to download the Unity and you have to integrate all the things. You have to for camera you have to move and you have to rotate. You have to use shortcut Q W E R T and you have to use inspector window. You have to think all the things. Yes, you have to do that. This is the task for today. You have to download the is only the task. Installation of Unity is only task today. Don't know to create a website. I'll explain. No worry about that. I created, I shown to you, but I done some little faster. Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Please, please. Just 5 minutes. I'll end the session. Very, very good. I think you learned something in this session, right? Yes, yes. Nice, guys. Uh, okay, okay. We are clear. Very good, very good. Can I know the confirmation form? Did you fill or not? I don't know. You should fill the confirmation form. Then I can know. Okay, these many members will do. I don't take any attendance. I don't take anything because this is total different session. Like sitting the class, sitting the thing. No, no, no. It's total different based on your. If you attended or not, I don't need. I want final outcomes. So that is the thing. So yes, very good. Did you feel? Yes, yes. Yes, very good. And feedback, what about feedback? Did you feel the feedback? Akash, can you hand out the mic to Park? Yes, yes, do that because they want to ask. Please, Parikshit. You can ask the doubts, Parikshit.
Ma'am, should we install Visual Studio for the Unity?
Uh, your voice was not clear, Parikshit.
Ma'am, should we install the Visual Studio for the Unity, ma'am?
Why? Because if you actually in quarantine time, they kept as a they given some options. I think they removed that all the things in before. Wait, wait. I'll show the things. I think you'll
Okay.
get some clarity. Uh,
Ma'am, I mean to ask is, should we
yeah,
add
yeah,
Visual Studio to installation?
yeah. We need to install Visual Studio. I kept a link
Okay,
in
okay.
website because for coding, if you want to write any coding, we need some editor, right? So
Yeah,
that we
okay.
are using Visual Studio. Mono develop also there, but we recommend Visual Studio for all things. Mono develop it will not support in Linux. We'll get some technical problems. That's why
Okay,
we are recommending Visual Studio.
okay, thank you.
Okay, very good. Any doubts? You can ask me. How the session? You can tell me also. How is the session? And Sai Manoj, you can.
Thank ma'am, could you please take the session tomorrow very slowly? So actually, I'm doing hands-on program while you are
Yes,
saying.
yes, yes. You are doing hands-on work, but others who are attending in mobiles and they will not use, definitely I can say they will not download Unity and they will not do hands-on experience. Why? Because uh, they have some internet problems, they didn't have Wi-Fi, they are using their own mobile data. So like that they'll get some of the doubts. That's why I done like that. If you want to do hands-on experience, you can follow. Tomorrow I'll make it some little slow, okay? Then you can make an hands-on experience. Okay, you can raise the hands. I'll stop share the screen. Yes. Anything? You can give the feedback and you can give the PPT. You can present everything. You can give. Uh, don't forget to give feedback. Today's day one. I'll see how many members given. Just 79 members given today's feedback. What about others? Okay. Shall I end the session? Don't forget to give feedback, and you can see the my YouTube channel, and you can see uh download the Unity, and you can install and you can practice. That's it for it. Okay, can I end the session? Okay, I think you enjoyed something today. You can learn something. Okay, tomorrow we'll meet at same time at 10 o'clock. Thank you.